morning, everybody. This is Sherman Ray, and this is Leadership in Action for a Wednesday, mid-July right now. Just finished up our midweek run, and to tell you the truth, folks, learning a lot more every single time I go out running. It's an amazing thing, and you're going to learn a lot too when you join with me and my personal success coaching seminars. It's going to be awesome, folks. One of the things that I really want to kind of talk to you about this week is, and I took a couple of days off. I really haven't run since Saturday, and it's just because I just didn't feel like it. You know, there were some things going on internally here, and I was just feeling like, man, I just don't want to run. You know, my toe was hurting, that kind of stuff, and you know, and that really taught me something as I was running today. Because when I ran today and I took my time, because my midweek run now is 8 miles. That's actually one of my shortest runs now is 8 miles. It's amazing. Just a few weeks ago, that would have been the longest run I've ever run, and now my my midweek run is one of my training runs, and that's a pretty amazing thing. But one of the things I learned about that was that I was really strong on the way back. As a matter of fact, when I took my time, that was the fastest I've run ever. Running at that kind of distance, because I run and I try to find out how fast I run, because I try to build up my speed all the time. And it's amazing that even after taking a few days off, figuring, man, you know what, I'm going to be slow, I'm going to be hurting, I felt great this morning, folks. I mean, I really, truly did. I felt great. Even on the way back, I was probably running faster on the way back than I was when I was going up, especially because I was running uphill most of the way. But it got me to thinking of this. You got to think about the internals. You've got to listen to the internals, whether it be of your body when you're out running, or when it's in your business or in your family. You've got to be able to take a look at those internals, and not only just take a look at them, but actually heed those warnings. Now, what could those internals be? Well, let's take running for instance. Those internals could be, man, I just don't feel good. I got to use the bathroom. Right? You know, or gosh, my knee's hurting, or my elbow's hurting, or my back's hurting. Those are some internal indicators that something's going wrong. Maybe you should stop, reevaluate what you're doing. What could it be like in your family? Well, in your family, boy, you could see your kids running off this way and your wife going off that way. It could be your finances just going in the toilet. It could be a lot of things. Or even in your business, if you're not out there making money every day, or if you're not out there succeeding, you know what I mean? We talk about success already. Success is proceeding every single day. Then those are some internal signs of something that's going to happen, and it's going to manifest itself on the outside, folks. That's the big thing. Those internal signs are going to manifest themselves on the outside in signs of something going on. Something's going on the outside. Something's going on the inside, and so the outside shows that there's something going on in the inside. And I can help you with that, folks. I really can. I can help you with turning around your business. I can help you turning around your life, your family, because I've seen it all. Right now, I've been married 21 years, folks. And I've seen a lot happen. I've seen my kids kind of do this, that, and everything else. And I can help you, whether it be with your family or your business, or even in your spiritual life, folks. Anyways, this has been Sherman Ray. This has been Leadership in Action. If you liked what you heard today, do give me a call. Come on and join me on my website. We're just revamping the website. It's at www.shermanray.com, or you can go to redlettermedia.net. Hey, and be sure, today we've actually got a radio broadcast. It's at ustream.tv. You can see that simulcast at 10:30. Just look for This Week on DNG Radio. And tomorrow we're going to actually have our DNG meeting, our Diversity Networking Group meeting. I got some great, excited business owners. We're working with about 45 business owners at our Thursday meeting, and they're excited. We've got everybody from presidents of some of the major chambers of commerce here in the Valley and the Rotary Club, who are part of the Diversity Networking Group, and they're there for one reason: to become great leaders. Anyways, this has been Sherman Ray. We will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.